Hello everyone. So in this video we will see that how we can run anonymous Apex code in VS Code. Okay. So as you can see, this is a project that I have created with manifest file. Okay, and under this script folder there are already some folder there, right? Apex and SOQL. So SOQL, you can also run SOQL in VS Code using SOQL builder that I have created a separate video for that. But here you can see an Apex folder. Okay, so here you can see one file hello.apex, and here is some code, some sample code is there. So how you can run this code in the same way we run in developer console, right? So if we need to run, then what we need to do, so just select the code, then press Ctrl Shift P, go to command palette, and then search for sftx colon ex. Then you will see this command, execute anonymous apex with currently selected text. Okay, just click on it and you can see it's already successfully run. And then we will see our output. Here you can see system.debug hello world is there. Okay, then my name is, and temp variable, enter your name here, and my name is, enter your name here. In the same way you can create your own files like that. New file, test.apex. Okay, then you can write your code here, and then you can run that an anonymous code in the same way that we run in this one. Just select the code and then go to command palette and run this command. Okay, sftx colon execute anonymous apex with currently selected text. So that's all for now. Thank you so much.